Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Google Pixel device to Samsung Galaxy F56. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices to download free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. Begin by hitting I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then select Confirm, Continue, Allow in first pop-up and Allow all in the second one. Now it's time to choose whatever you want to in all the other ones. And when you're ready, hit Send at the bottom left corner of Google Pixel and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Samsung. Also on Google Pixel, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to send. I will go with only a few just for example. When you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. In some of those categories though, like for example Contacts, you need to choose Allow a few more times and then access your files. Over here, hit Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to input this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and then hit Receive button. To scan the QR code though, use scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. Wherever you decided, just wait. Close and add, and as you can see after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!